What's up mga quiz mga atis? Welcome back sa akin channel. This is Quiz Alan at ngayong araw papanoorin natin yung cover version ni Danilea Doloshopa ng kantang River by Bishop Riggs. So hindi ako familiar sa song at sa singer. So pagiginggan natin and may bibigay ko yung reaction at tingin ko on the set cover version. So let's go!
How do we fall in love? Harder than a bullet could hit you. How do we fall apart? Faster than a hairpin trigger. Don't you say, don't you say, don't say, don't you say it. One breath, we will just break it. So shut your mouth and run me like a river. Show your mouth, baby, sun and deliver. Holy hands will make me a sinner. Like a river, like a river. Shut your mouth and run me like a river. Shoulders loud to the winds and the shiver. Waters roll to the tears and the wither. Like a river, like a river. Shut your mouth and run me like a river. Ties of another's heart. Curse is a fool who's willing. Can't change the way we are. Won't keep away from killing. Don't you say, don't you say it. Don't say, don't you say it. One breath, we'll just break it. So shut your mouth and run me like a river. Show your mouth, baby, sun and deliver. Holy hands will make me a sinner. Like a river, like a river. Shut your mouth and run me like a river. Shoulders round to the winds and the shiver. Waters round to the tears and the wither. Like a river, like a river. Shut your mouth and run me like a river. Like a river, like a river. Shut your mouth and run me like a river. Shut your mouth and run me like a river.
Okay, there you go. Napanood natin yung cover version ni Danilea Doloshopa ng kantang River by Bishop Riggs. So, now, kilala ko na yung song. So, very familiar sa akin yung song. Pero yung singer hindi talaga familiar sa akin. And, wow. Ang galing ng performance ni Danilea Doloshopa. Even though itong cover version niya is 3 years ago. So, mga 2021, mga times na she was competing sa America's Got Talent, I think. Yeah. All-Star or yung first time niya sa America's Got Talent. And ang swabe ng boses niya, ang ganda-ganda, bagay na bagay, and sobrang yung from her performance ng bata siya hanggang ngayon, nakikita ko na talagang laki. Ay walang nagbago, nagstay pa rin yung power ng boses niya, and she remains to be one of the best singers na napanood ko, na hindi artista or celebrity. And ang ganda, powerful yung boses niya, and very versatile din yung boses niya. She can sing any type of song, and this one pang lalaki tong song na to, and she was able to ace the performance, diba? Ang ganda. So bagay na bagay sa kanya, and wow. So that's why hindi ako nagsasawang panoorin yung mga performance niya and gawa ng reaction, because Danilea proved herself na na she's one of the best singers na discover from from Russia or sa Kazakhstan, di ba? And it's very rare to see mga ganito kagaling singers coming from Central Asia. So yun, so congrats Daniela, it was a beautiful performance and nag-enjoy ko rin yung song. Yung umpisa lang ng song, medyo nagkinapa ako kasi hindi ako familiar, pero when pumunta to sa may chorus, ayun, naging familiar na sa akin yung song. So yun. So yun, I like it so much and I really love it and yun. So, kayo mga quiz, mga atheist, mga fans ni Danilea Toloshoba, nagustuhan nyo po yung cover version ni Danilea ng song na River, mag-comment kayo dito sa baba. At kung nagustuhan nyo naman binigay kong simpleng komentaryo at reaction sa performance ni Danilea, mag-comment kayo dito sa baba and I will read all your comments and I will try to interact with you guys para naman makapag-share tayo ng mga kaka-haka, puro opinion about her performance. So there you go, maraming salamat, have a nice day and please don't forget to remember these 4 things while watching my videos on my channel: comment, like, share, and subscribe to my channels. Ang Pinagtalakan Channel, Taanas Kisyo, Probably Bromday Vlogs, Tamad ng People Presents at pagandahan ng usapan. So maraming salamat, have a nice day and bye bye.